So I've just spent some time with the 2026 Kawasaki KLE 500, and honestly, this bike is a bit of a surprise in how simple it feels in a good way. At its heart, you've got Kawasaki's 451cc parallel twin, the same engine you'll find in the Ninja 500, and it's smooth, predictable, and honestly really beginner-friendly. It's not trying to scare you, it's just trying to get you riding. On the road, it feels solid. The ergonomics are actually one of the strongest points. You sit upright, the bars are wide, and long rides don't feel like a chore. It's comfortable in that just keep riding kind of way. Now, off-road. It's capable, but don't mistake it for a full-on enduro. Gravel roads and light trails? No problem. But the low ground clearance and basic suspension remind you pretty quickly where its limits are. And that kind of sums up the KLE 500. It's not trying to be the most extreme adventure bike. It's more like a friendly all-rounder that just wants to take you places without drama. So is it worth considering in 2026? If you want something approachable, practical, and easy to live with, yeah, it absolutely deserves a look.